There are 4 ways to submit a video tribute order. It all starts from our Intuitive Solution Group website and sends you to our Memory LP website, where the user can start to create. You'll notice when you go to create a new order, there's now a blue button that says Video Tribute Only. If you click on that, you can enter in the basic information for your video tribute, and you can select the first of 2 ways to submit the order. There's also a video tribute name on the top right section that auto-populates. This serves as an identifier, or the project name. If there's ever a case where your funeral home has a second person with the exact same name, this will allow you to add a to or another identifier after the name to track the job and keep it unique. The actual name displayed on the slideshow will be as it appears on the left. By clicking on this first button, your funeral home will pay for and create the video tribute. The cost is $15 and will be deducted from your ART credits. After your order is submitted, you will be taken directly to our Memory LP website to begin creating the slideshow. The second option below allows your family to create the video tribute, and at the end of their video process, they will have an option to submit orders for Canvas products that your funeral home would eventually print, mount, and frame. You'll be provided a one-time pricing option for these 4 products that will be established for your families to see and ultimately pay you directly. You will only be charged the same ART fee that you would for any Intuitive Solution Group job that you would submit. It's important to remember to let your families know 2 credentials that will get them into memorylp.com to start creating. They'll need to know your 10-digit phone number without any dashes, and also the exact spelling of the deceased name as it appears for the video tribute name. Both those areas will be highlighted in red at the end of your order, along with the Memory LP website. You can also gain access to start a video tribute by continuing on with our regular ordering process, and you can add the video tribute as a product this way. You would enter in the basic information just as you always would, and put in the main photo that you would want for your Canvas products, and then hit continue. You'll now see the video tribute as a product to be ordered. After choosing what Canvas products you would like and the appropriate background information, you'll see where the price for the video tribute goes down to only $10. From here, there are 2 options just like before. Either your funeral home will both create and pay for the video tribute, or your family will create. Either way, only $10 will come out of your ART credits, and you can arrange to charge your family however it's appropriate for your funeral home.